The Defence Minister strongly reaffirming Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement made shortly after the strike on the Uri army base that the attack would not go unpunished. Asked how India should respond to the latest strike by terrorists from Pakistan, the Defence Minister said the Prime Minister's initial words that those responsible for this will not go unpunished will not go just as a mere statement.
On the day of the Uri attack, by the evening, there was terrible uproar. Even politicians, senior politicians, opposition, ruling party, they were all up in arms. And there was an expectation that India will retaliate this time. But then the next day's meeting held by the PM with you and the Home Minister and others, the news came that India will have a calibrated approach. Now, this came as a bit of a damper, but then people like us realize that there is a sense in that. One perception which we have is that the statements which are being made by the Pakistani army about use of the nuclear items, which according to us is a mad statement, or maybe there is a method in the madness. So as a defense minister, what is your considered view? Obviously, you are not going to do a knee-jerk reaction, but how do you think this time the matter will be settled so that Pakistan is taught a lesson? Thank you.
First of all, I will not go into the detail of what we are going to do, but I can tell you that if required, I can have a knee-jerk reaction also. Sometime a knee-jerk reaction is also required. I'm not saying this occasion, I'm generally giving you the reply. But I think if you see two people, one who has a strength normally doesn't make too much arguments. As they call it in my language, that vessels which are empty make bigger noise. I don't intend to repeat what irrational and uncontrolled statement they make, but I can tell you this much, that this country is a very responsible power, but that doesn't mean I will sleep for this kind of terrorism that are being pushed across, terrorists that are being pushed across the border. How do I do it? Is entirely for government under the Prime Minister to decide. I don't know how press got the word calibrated. Sometimes I learn many things from them. We have here few of the reporters who know more than me. So they must have decided their own wordings. But we will take a proper reading of everything, and I don't think the Prime Minister's initial word that those who are responsible will be punished, will go as just a mere statement. How to punish? That is for us to work out. We are quite serious about it.
But the Defence Minister, while speaking on the Uri terror attack in which 18 soldiers were killed, did concede that something may have gone wrong. He also asserted that steps would be taken to ensure that it doesn't happen again.
What was the lapses in the last militant attack in Kashmir? Was it security lapse, or it is this area is not protected, well protected by our army? That's my question.
I believe in principle what is called as zero error. A lot of people, when they have a cup of tea, sometimes the cup falls from their hand. So we always say that this is a possibility of error. but I've never seen a child falling from the hand of anyone. So for me, 100% perfection is the way of life. I always tried that myself. And definitely when something goes wrong, as you are managing so many factories and production facilities, the error crops up. Obviously something must have been wrong in the incident quoted by the gentleman, though I will not go into the details of it because obviously it's a very sensitive matter. When something goes wrong, while you try to correct it, you should also ensure that it does not happen again. And there are management principles to ensure that this happens. I think we will definitely find out what went wrong. Also take steps to ensure that it doesn't go wrong again. And also, I think the country needs to ensure that the repetition of wrongs does not repeat again and again. I'll not go any further because it would be very easy for me to give you a mash answer. I will reply on this. I prefer to sometimes execute things rather than talk.